It's no surprise that I don't like technology. I like all forms of technology. That's why I have all forms of technology on this channel. I love gadgets. I love the tech in the gadget industry. And today's one of those technologies that actually helps us be safe when we're out on the road or out and about mowing the grass or running, doing what we like to do or what we need to do. And being safe to me is a key feature in some of these gadgets. Not only that, they're putting AI in everything. So what I mean by keeping you safe is something like these right here. These are the open ears by Shocks right here. So when you wear this headset, you have nothing in, plugging up your ears. So when you're driving down the road, you can hear everything. If you're out jogging, you can hear things around you. You can hear if that dog's chasing you. You can hear if a car's coming up behind you. You can be more aware. Well, sometimes, even for me, these right here, I get a little bit of ear fatigue. That's when your headset's sitting there too long. Sometimes the weight, even though they are light, sometimes the weight gives a little fatigue around this part of your ear right here. So in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the S6S by Sanag. I believe that's how you say it right there. True wireless stereo, Bluetooth 5.3, has some AI features in it. They are literally, I've been using them for almost 2 weeks now. They come in this cool little case right here. They are really lightweight, 100%. These things are super, super light. Look at this thing. So the big part goes behind your ear, the little part goes right here in front of your ear canal. So right here is what it looks like when it's on your ear. I mean, I don't even really feel that it's there, and I can hear everything around me, which of course to me is a huge benefit for headphones like these right here is for your safety. Safety is number one key. The batteries on the headphones themselves is 7.5 hours, and with the charge case, you're supposed to get 38 hours. I'm gonna say right now, me playing around with these for about 8 days now, I've only had to charge them one time, and I go to sleep with mine at night. So me and my wife, we have two different schedules. She has to get up early in the morning to go to a regular job where I work from home. So I'm able to watch TV later at night, but I like to lay in bed and relax, and I don't want to disturb my wife, so I have Bluetooth headphones so I don't disturb my wife. These right here, I have fallen asleep, I've woken up, and they're still on my ear. They don't hurt, they don't push against the pillow, nothing like that. I don't jog, as you see. I got a little extra belly on me right now. I don't do no jogging, but my wife does. I've had her go out and run and take a jog with these, and they don't move. I mean, you literally can shake your head up and down, and these things literally they do not move. Even these headsets here, if I move or bend over, they move like this on top of my ears. These do not. I don't feel them whatsoever. Sound quality of these for the microphone to me sound really, really good. All right, so for the audio and what people are going to hear you, go ahead and take a listen right here. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. This is the sound of the Sanag headphones. This is the microphone on the Sanag headphone. Mic check, 1, 2, 3. This is how everybody else that you make calls will hear you. So that's the sound quality you get with the microphone on these. I think it's really, really clear. Yes, you did hear some of the back my fans or whatever in my office, but that's just like if no different if you're on the phone with somebody or any other headphone set. So now let's go ahead and jump in. There is an app for these. Also with these, they do what they call OTA updates. So if there's a firmware, they literally when you connect them, they'll send it to you. I haven't had one yet, or else I would already have it recorded before I did it, but there hasn't been no update. But if they see an update needs to be out, then you get that over the air. So it connects to the app, and then of course through your you having Wi-Fi, having internet, it will download the update and it will install it to these headset. Okay, so after you download the app, you do your login, you get into here and you add the headset. So this headset does say that it is AI headset, AI painting, AI chat, AI conference assistant. So what's also cool is it'll also put it in multiple languages. You can change the language. So if you speak Spanish, you can put it into Spanish and it will translate Spanish in your ear. So go ahead and open it up. And then here's my two, my right and my left. You can see what the battery usage is. You can go to sound style. So you can go through here and you can change what sound style you want. The three-dimensional digital enhance to me sounds really, really good. I really do like that. You got some gestures here. This is what you want your left ear or your right ear to control. Next song volume. You got gaming mode. That way, if you play any type of video games on your cell phone, or if you want to use these for a tablet, you can do that as well. So if you look at the bottom, we have AI down at the bottom. So now here's your AI modes. So you literally have an AI built into the app here. You even got drawing tools for the AI. Look at this right here. You can do so many different things with this. You get so many things free as well, but then they do have a paid subscription as well. Okay, so now if you want a new AI model, go ahead and click on it. Look at that. DeepSeek, Quinn, you got quite a few. So let's just click on DeepSeek. Now you can ask me anything that you're interested in. Okay, so I typed in here, tell my viewers to like and subscribe. And it gave me a breakdown in classic and direct. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So it gives you some scenarios on here of what to tell the viewers, you that are watching this right now, give y'all to do. You got a call to action plus growth. So again, it's working like a chat GPT. So it's working like a chat GPT, but on your Bluetooth headset. That is just insane. So y'all tell me what y'all think the microphones sound like. For me, a 5.3 Bluetooth headset, I think it sounds really, really good. You're able to put it in any language that's out there that they support, and then to have the AI features built in right there to use it like a chat GPT and then use like DeepSeek or so on your Bluetooth headset. That is, I mean, through the app, that's crazy. That's just insane. Do you know why it's insane? Because this thing is only $25. 25 bucks. Honestly, I'm floored at what it can do. I was blown away by everything about this thing because of the price of being $25. All links will be down in the description down below. I don't think they're going to give me a discount code for you all. I do apologize. I mean, they're only $25. But I'm going to tell you right now, the comfort, everything about this little bitty headset is just phenomenal. I mean, I love it to death. Plus, being safe because it's not going all the way down into your ear canal so you can hear everything. So 100%, this is worth your money. 100% it's worth your money. Go ahead and check out this right here. See if this is worth your money. I'm Thomas with Tomology. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And again, check out these right here.